Hello and welcome everybody to my channel Kerala GSB Konkan Dishes, and today we will be seeing how to prepare a simple raw mango chutney, or it is called as Amba Daddailolo in Konkani. It is served usually along with hot steaming rice porridge, or as you call it kanji in Malayalam or pej in Konkani. It is usually given as a fever diet. In this recipe I have not used any onion or garlic or shallots, but it's optional. You can add. Coming to the ingredients, you need 1 tablespoon raw mango cut into pieces, 1 green chilli, or you can add even more, it depends on your spiciness level, 1 sprig curry leaves, a small piece of ginger, and 2 tablespoon grated coconut, and salt to taste. Now cut the mango into small pieces, grind it along with coconut, salt, ginger, green chilies, and curry leaves. Grind it to a coarse paste, adding only little water. Shape it into a ball shape. Your Amba Daddailo is ready to be served. You can serve it along with hot steaming pej or kanji or rice porridge, as you call it. Thank you for watching my channel. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.